So every time I have to open the drapes in the window, I have to use this big stick to poke it up there, because if I move from down here, everything falls into my head, and it's quite messy too. What I'm thinking is I'm going to make an auto robot to open and close the window. The design, very simple. Look, this part here is going to be mounted on the wall. I'll have a motor right here to move this thing. Look, ooh, my friend. All of this be put on the side of the wall, like up there. And then it's going to open and close. That's all the parts I'm going to use, and that's how they're going to be assembled. And after some tinkering in the IDE, I finally got it working. But my happiness was not going to last long, because I eventually assembled everything and realized it was too goddamn heavy. But I decided it still was a good idea to mount it on the wall the same way. Now I just have to fix this in the wall. There. Okay, man. Stuck there. Look. Woo! Now we test. Woo! So I got back to the drawing board just to come up with an even dumber design that I thought was genius. That was basically a moving car in the main pole of the drape that would push the drape around. After some assembly, I got it working again. As my dopamine levels was rising up, I eventually realized that it also would not work. Shit. So back again, I revisited the design and realized that the problem is the same problem some old guys have, so I remade it. You may also be asking yourself, what the hell are these? Well, you're gonna see later. I'm a genius.
Why are we still here?
Not only I made this lighter, but I also made this track that is going to be mounted on the wall. These tracks would serve to support the main frame so it doesn't have erectile dysfunction. Okay, my friend, so now let's test. Let's go and open. Okay, my friend, that is a success. And I went up to mount the tracks on the wall, but I did not know the size of the problem that was waiting for me. Okay, so now everything is stuck up there. Now I needed to put the tape here and then up the breast. As I was putting the mainframe, I realized that the tracks were not 100% aligned. Just keep getting stuck. I'm a genius.
Why are we still here?
I just refuse to be defeated by that thing. So I modified the mainframe a little bit so I would not need the tracks on the wall. Okay, stuck here. Will it hold itself? I don't know. Will it hold the curtains I'm going to put here? I don't know. Okay, now let's test. Opening. It is struggling quite a bit. Open again. It was moving very slowly, but for me it was a win. Okay, will this work? I have no idea. Oh, it's working! It's working! Let's go! Yes! Yes, I have an auto curtain. Look, look, look. Yes! So let's sum it up. 2 SP32 killed, 1 driver board killed, 1 motor killed, almost 1 kilogram of PLA wasted, and my wall is also unpainted. Was it worth it? Of course not. But yeah, some projects just won't work. So if you watched till here, leave your comment and tell me what should I do and what I did wrong. Hit the like button, subscribe, because over 99% of you guys are not subscribed.